This is my master ensuite. It's dated and run down, but thanks to Wetwall by Wilsonart, this space is about to get a much needed makeover. I began by removing this old corner shower. It's stained and dated and just needs to go. I removed everything until it was down to the bare wall. Due to water being trapped between the old shower and the wall, I also had to remove the drywall around the shower plumbing. Wetwall is a patent waterproof panel system, and I chose Tuscany Marble from their Pro collection. These panels consist of a scratch and scuff-resistant Aeon technology, so I knew I was making a good switch. Before installing the panels, I used a level and I marked out on the drywall where the shower niche was going to go. I then used a multi-tool to cut out the drywall. This shower niche is also available from Wilsonart. We installed a new larger shower pan and also replaced the drywall where there was water damage. The Wetwall panels were delivered right to my door within 2 weeks, and I couldn't believe their exceptional and reliable service. The panels are tongue and groove and also available with a bullnose edge. Once I measured my space, I made the necessary cuts for height and my shower fixtures. It's easy to cut right through the Wetwall with a jigsaw. I used my drill and a hole saw bit to make the holes for the shower head. And since I have a ton of shower heads for my fixture, this was so easy going right through the Wetwall. This is way easier than tile. To apply the color match adhesive, I used a caulking gun and ran a line of adhesive about 2 inches from the top and bottom, and then vertical lines going in between. With the adhesive on the panels, you can place them directly to the wall. Wetwall can be applied directly over greenboard, fiberboard, or even existing tile. I like that the Wetwall is available in 60-inch panels, making it easy to do one wall in one shot. The panels are also available in other standard widths, such as 36 and 48 inches. Once the Wetwall is installed, we also installed a new shower door with glass surround, put in our new shower fixtures, and completed the installation of the shower niche. I also added in a corner shelf from Wetwall that can be fixated directly onto the Wetwall with their own sealant. I then sealed all corners, cracks, and edges with their color match panel sealant. Again, here's the before, and this is my bathroom now. I cannot believe this transformation in here. These daring designs of the Wetwall panels are inspired by the luxe look of marble and have totally elevated my space. This installation was easy and super ideal for DIYers. Wetwall is sold through major home centers like Lowe's and Menards and specialty kitchen and bath retailers nationwide. To find a retailer near you or to order product samples, visit wetwall.com. Thanks so much to Wetwall by Wilsonart for sponsoring this video.